In this video, we're going to show you a couple of ways to turn on and shut down your Samsung Galaxy S22. Assuming that you've already powered up your device, the first thing you can do to power it off or restart it is by swiping down from the top of the screen to pull down the notification panel. And then, swipe down on the notification panel to pull down the quick settings panel. Now you should see the power icon. Tap on it to open the power options. To shut down your phone, tap power off and then confirm it. To restart, tap restart and then confirm your action. Another way to do that is to use the physical buttons of your device. What you need to do is to press and hold the volume down button, and then the power key simultaneously for a couple of seconds. Doing so will also show the power options on the screen. Then you'll have the option to either shut down or restart your device. Lastly, if you simply want to restart your phone, then you can press and hold the volume down button and the power key together for 8 seconds. Doing so will trigger your Galaxy S22 to shut down and then turn back on. You only have to release the buttons once the Samsung logo appears on the screen, and then allow your phone to continue the boot process. This procedure is often referred to as forced restart, which can fix many minor issues. And those are the common ways to shut down and restart your device. We hope this tutorial can help. Thanks for watching.